So in our yesterday's period, we had seen that the objection were raised by the laity. Laity means that member of a religious community to the word nation, and as important to define a recognition of national unity that it was dropped, and instead there were adopted the words, "O Lord, bless these United States." So there was so little solidarity in the USA at the time when this incident occurred that the people of America did not think that they were a nation. If the people of United States could not feel that they were a nation, how difficult it is for Indians to think that they are a nation. So the same case is also applied to our India, where India is also divided in various types of state, and each state has its own language, its own dress wearing habits, its own eating habits, and language differences are there. So that's why it is not quite possible for the country like India, which is divided in various kinds of the state and call themselves as a nation. So I am of opinion that in believing that we are a nation, we are cherishing a great delusion. Delusion means a mistaken idea or opinion. How can people divided into several thousands of castes to be a nation? And the one reason of it, so which Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar gives, that how can people divided into several thousands of castes can be a nation? Because in our India, there are difference of that state, there are difference of that language, dress wearing habits, their geographical differences. So it's all right. But it is also that it is divided in a lot of what we say castes. Some upper, then middle, then lower, and then downtrodden. And also there are the various kinds of castes. So how is it possible that several thousands of castes be a nation? The sooner we realize that we are not as yet a nation in the social and psychological sense of the word, the better for us. And that's why it is very essential that socially and psychologically we must have the sense of that uniteness and that brotherhood and that equality among each and every one of us. So then only there will be a nation. And for then only we shall realize the necessity of becoming a nation and seriously think of the ways and means of realizing the goal. And when each and every people in whatever parts of the India, so he or she lives, whatever language he or she speaks, but when they think that there is a oneness among all, socially they think each other equal and no casteism is there, so there is oneness among all, so then only there will be a nation. And the realization of this goal is going to be very difficult, far more difficult than it has been in the United States. In a United States, so it is the thing, so the word used that of the nation is as difficult, but in the comparison of that United States of America, in India, it is much more difficult. And the United States has no caste problem, because in the United States of America there is no caste problem. But in India there are castes, and the castes are anti-national. And this caste system is anti-national. It is not what we say quite supported to that of nation. In the first place, because they bring about separation in social life. Because socially we are not equal. So there is some people are there who belongs to that of upper class, and some people belongs to that of the lower class. So caste, as far as the caste difference is also concerned, so some belong to that of high birth, some belongs to that of the low, and they are anti-national, and also because they generate jealousy and antipathy between caste and creed. And also there is one kind of jealousy and antipathy. So antipathy means one kind of opposite types of the ideas between the two, caste and creeds is there. But we must overcome all these difficulties if we wish to become a nation in reality. And if we really want to become one nation, so that's why we must, what we say, just bar all the difficulties, for fraternity can be a fact only when there is a nation. And it is also when we think that we are a nation, so then only there will be a fraternity. And without fraternity, equality and liberty will be no deeper than a coats of paint. And if there is nothing, the thing like fraternity, equality and liberty, so then our liberty, our what we say freedom, our democracy is just the coats of paint, external side, and not it goes too deep into that of the internal side. Then below, a brainstorming is given from groups and use the following topics for discussion. Take the help of your college library and your teacher. So some topics have been given here. So you have to prepare some notes on it. No? A need for democracy, features of the Constitution of India, freedom of speech, dictatorship versus democracy, qualities of an ideal politician, and equality before law. Then below, state whether the following statements are true or false and correct the false statement. Suppose false statement is there, so you have to correct it. Then below, in his speech, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has expressed his deep concern over the absence of two things in the Indian society. Discuss with your partner and complete the way. So absence of two things in the then Indian society. So you have to write the two things, so which is what is absent in our India. Then on page number 40, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has cited the quotes by John Stuart Mill and Daniel O'Connell. Go through the lesson and write down 4 or 5 lines from each of them. Then discuss with your partner and make a list of the steps that you feel are essential to unite people of different caste, race, religion and languages in India. As we want to have a unity, so how you can make all that thing? So with the help of the point like that caste, race, religion and language, you have to write 4 or 5 lines on it. Then write your views or opinion in a brief on the following topics. So you have to write your brief opinion on the following topics. We must always cast our vote. All liberty, equality and fraternity lead to an ideal nation. Then steps to be taken to eradicate inequality and role of youth in creating social awareness. त्याच्यानंतर खाली आपल्याला along with your partner go to the library or search the internet for a standard thesaurus to complete the following table. One is done for you. जसं आता आपल्याला पहिला शब्द दिला आहे observe. हा कोणता प्रकार आहे? टाईप. हे वर्ब आहे. याचा जो सिनोनिम किंवा याच्याशी मिळता जुळता जो शब्द आहे वो कोणता आहे? नोटीस, डिस्कस, डिटेक्ट और मार्क. याचा अँटोनिम, याचा अपोजिट शब्द कोणता आहे? इग्नोर और ओव्हरलूक. त्याच्या प्रकारे जे खाली शब्द दिले आहे त्याच्यामध्ये त्याचा वर्ब, त्याचं सिनोनिम आणि त्याचं अँटोनिम म्हणजे आपल्याला तिकडं लिहायचं आहे. इकडं खाली दिलं आहे होमोग्राफ. होमोग्राफ इज अ वर्ड स्प्लिट and pronounced like another word but with a different meaning. So for example, the word fast has a 2 meaning. The different meanings are fast. Fast means hold firmly. Fast means to abstain from food, and fast means opposite of slow. No? So go through the text and again and make a list of meaning of all the homographs that are found in the text, and also make a list of such words that you know, heard or read somewhere. त्याच्यानंतर इकडं खाली बाजूला इकडं प्रिपोजिशन दिलं आहे बा. त्याच्यानंतर लेट्स लर्न सम एक्झाम्पल दिलेले आहेत पेज नंबर 41वर. उसके बाद में हाउ टू प्रिपेअर अ स्पीच पेज नंबर 42वर दिलेला आहे. नो कशा प्रकारे आपल्याला त्याला करणं आहे. त्याच्यानंतर देअर आर मेनी करियर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज दॅट कॅन बी अवेल्ड बाय अ ग्रॅज्युएट. Discuss and make list of various opportunities available in the legal field, economics, management, commerce and administration. ठीक आहे. तर हे आपल्याला सगळं तयार करून आपल्या बुक्समध्ये लिहिणं आहे. ओके.